In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting with Google Meet updated for 2025. Whether you're using it for work, school, or catching up with friends, Google Meet is a fantastic tool for virtual meetings. Let's walk through the simple steps to get you started and ensure a smooth experience. First, you'll want to access Google Meet, and you can do this in a couple of ways. If you're on a mobile device, go ahead and open the Google Meet app. If you're on a computer, simply visit meet.google.com using your web browser. This is your starting point for joining any Google Meet session. Now you'll need the meeting link. Typically this will be provided to you through an email or a calendar invitation. Your host should have shared this link with you ahead of time. If you can't find it, be sure to check your email or calendar notifications to locate it. Once you've found the meeting link in your email or calendar invite, clicking on it will take you directly into the meeting. It's as simple as that, just one click and you're ready to connect. But what if you don't have a direct link and instead were given a meeting code? Not to worry. On the Google Meet homepage, there's a search bar where you can manually enter the meeting code. Once entered, click Join to enter the meeting. This step is particularly useful when a link isn't readily available, so it's good to know. Next, there are a few crucial points to remember for the best experience. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is essential because Google Meet requires you to sign in to join a meeting. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to do so when you try to enter the meeting. Second, check your audio and video settings before joining the meeting. Make sure your microphone and camera are working properly. This helps you avoid any awkward tech issues during your meeting time. Click on the settings icon to test and adjust your devices. Lastly, consider joining from a Google Calendar event if the meeting is scheduled there. Google Calendar integrates seamlessly with Google Meet, allowing you to click Join with Google Meet from the event details, simplifying the process even further. By following these steps and tips, joining a meeting on Google Meet can be hassle-free, ensuring you're ready to engage and participate fully. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Enjoy your meeting experience and thank you for watching.